आज की वीडियो में सबसे मजेदार चीज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि भैया ऑल इंडिया रैंकर 1 का कितने का पैकेज लगता है हर अटेम्प्ट का। और यहाँ पे मैं एक नहीं दो नहीं लास्ट 14 अटेम्प्ट्स के ऑल इंडिया रैंकर के 1 के बारे में मैं डिस्कशन करने वाला हूं। इसी के साथ साथ आई एम गोना बी शोइंग यू कि विच company they have joined in, at what CTC, from where did they completed the articleship, in which domain they completed the articleship, and as well as I am going to be showing you the marks which they have got. Right, एक बार मैं आपको फाइल दिखा देता हूं कि मैंने क्या बनाया आपके लिए और आपको ये कितना ज्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेगा। जरूर ये फाइल यू विल बी एबल टू गेट इट आउट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। राइट, ऑल्दो आपका ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 आए या ना आए उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट यू शुड गेट टू नो कि व्हाट इज द एक्सट्रीम विच इज गोइंग ऑन इन द सी इंडस्ट्री। मतलब एक ऑल इंडिया रैंकर 1 कहां जा रहे हैं, किस पैकेज में जा रहे हैं और कितना डिटेल्स कलेक्ट किया, कितना इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड कह रहा है। Now with this, right, please understand this is the data which I have done based on my research from an experience of last 6 years into this industry for interview training and placements. हो सकता है कहीं पे थोड़ा बहुत डेटा गलत रहे, थोड़ा बहुत पैकेज कम ज्यादा रहे which is there, तो don't take me wrong, don't take it otherwise, but yes, you can get this file which is gonna be there in the description of the video. Now with this, right, let us start with the basic details. राइट, आप देख सकते हैं दीक्षा जी वॉज ऑल इंडिया रैंकर 1 इन जनवरी 26, ऑल्दो शी कंप्लीटेड हर आर्टिकलशिप फ्रॉम डेलॉयट एंड केपीएमजी। कुछ लोगों का मैं लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल भी आपको खोल के दिखाऊंगा सो दैट यू विल गेट टू नो कि वेयर द मार्केट इज हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स, राइट, व्हाट इज देयर प्रोफाइल एंड हाउ यू कैन ऑल्सो बिल्ड अ सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ प्रोफाइल विच इज देयर। अच्छा, although she completed her articleship from Big Four and although you can also see the marks which is also very nice. बात करते हैं मुकुंद भाई की। राइट, आर्टिकलशिप कंप्लीट किया इन्होंने EY पुणे ऑफिस से विद स्टार्ट ऑडिट रोल, जॉइंड मैरिको विद अ पैकेज ऑफ 35 लाख। राइट, तो 35 लाख इज द CTC विच आई एम रेफरिंग टू। इसमें मोटा मोटी मेरे हिसाब से 24 लाख का फिक्स रहता है, रिमेनिंग इज अ वेरिएबल एंड अदर कंपोनेंट्स विच इज देयर। नाउ इफ यू कुड सी इट आउट, अभी तक के जो स्क्रीन में आपको रैंकर्स दिख रहे हैं इसमें से 1 2 3 4 ऑफ द रैंकर्स हैव कंप्लीटेड देयर आर्टिकलशिप फ्रॉम अ बिग फोर। तो पहला पर्सपेक्टिव द लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव इट, इफ आई डू माय जर्नी और आर्टिकलशिप फ्रॉम बिग फोर आई विल नॉट गेट अ रैंक, या मैं पढ़ाई के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलेगा। दैट इज कंप्लीटली अ रॉन्ग पर्सपेक्टिव। अच्छा, नंबर 2, राइट, आप देख सकते हैं भाई का भी आर्टिकलशिप is not from a big four, he has done from a decent firm, still he is able to join a McKinsey। तो ऐसा भी नहीं है कि अगर आर्टिकलशिप खराब फर्म से हुआ तो भैया मेरा नहीं होगा। McKinsey is a consulting firm, everybody knows this out, right, which requires a spike। अगर आपके प्रोफाइल में स्पाइक रहेगा तो आपको जर्नी मिलेगा। तो राइट, Hirab Bhai has been able to get a spike through getting a rank in a CA final, because of which he was able to crack the interview for a consulting and he is working currently today in McKinsey with a very decent package. Okay, बात करते हैं रंजन भाई की। राइट, आर्टिकलशिप फ्रॉम BSR, देन ही मूव टू सम स्मॉल फॉर्म, देन अगेन ही डिड अ इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोफाइल विच इज देयर। राइट, वर्कड इनटू CIT, देन ही मूव टू IBM प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट एंड इनटू कंसल्टिंग, एंड फाइनली ही हैज जॉइन्ड Motilal Oswal which is there. Now one of the great thing I also want to share is, right, we are the one as a CMONG team does a placements for Motilal Oswal. When you are qualified chartered accountant, please stay in touch with us. Right, Motilal का hiring ज़्यादातर हम लोग ही करते हैं, which is there. अच्छा, number 2, one more point of observation. Right, all the companies which this rankers have joined, इन सब companies का hiring off campus होता है। राइट, जस्ट फॉर नॉलेज, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कैंपस बुरा है, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द सेम। राइट, व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू आउट कि दिस कंपनीज विल बी हायरिंग ऑफ कैंपस। राइट, तो यू ऑलवेज हैव टू प्रिपेयर ऑफ कैंपस, यू ऑलवेज हैव टू बी ऑन योर टोज, व्हिच इज गोना बी गिविंग यू अ लॉट ऑफ एज। राइट, बात करते हैं हमारे ऋषभ भाई का। राइट, ही हैज डन हिज आर्टिकलशिप इनटू KPMG BSR ऑडिट एंड देन ही जॉइंड इनटू BCG विद अ वेरी डिसेंट पैकेज। राइट, एक आधी जन का मैं प्रोफाइल भी आपको दिखा देता हूँ व्हिच इज देयर। तो लेट मी जस्ट गो टू LinkedIn and let's see it out how their journey also looks like। ठीक है, तो ये मैं डॉक्यूमेंट खोल के and let me just show you। ऋषभ भाई का ही खोल लेते हैं, AIR1 है ना, is working into BCG, you can see his journey out। देखो, अगर आपको हो सकता है कि you might not get all India rank 1, but you can also follow his journey or trajectory कि how did he land up there। राइट, बंदे का जर्नी देखो, rank 1 in final, rank 1 in inter, rank 1 in foundation, CFA भी कर लिया है, and has a very very strong profile which is there। राइट, तो दिस इज व्हाट द रैंकर्स आर चूजिंग इन। ऐसा नहीं है कि बाकी रैंकर्स को नहीं मिल रहा है। डोंट वरी, इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल आई विल बी पुटिंग आउट अ सेपरेट वीडियो कि इफ यू हैव नॉट गॉट अ रैंक, हाउ यू कैन ऑल्सो पिवट इट आउट टू दिस प्लेसेस। ठीक है, तो बंदे ने आर्टिकलशिप कंप्लीट की स्टार्ट ऑडिट से, which is there, after that is done he got an internship opportunity with Motilal Oswal and currently he is working with the BCG which is there। ठीक है, तो दिस इज हाउ द प्रोफाइल ऑफ द पीपल ऑल्सो लुक्स लाइक। चलते हैं आगे जर्नी पे। Right, then we have May 24 All India Ranker 1 Shivam Mishra ji. Right, he also joined Marico, although he left because he's now into teaching, as far as my knowledge is there. Right, so he also did his articleship from a KPMG। Then we have Madhur Jain, right? इसका articleship का details मुझे नहीं मिला है. He has moved to private investments with a very decent package again. Moving about Akshay, right? He has also done articleship from again a decent firm, but he was kind enough to do an industrial training, and because of which he was able to get a spike, and he then moved to BCG. Currently, he is working into Blackstone. By the way, Blackstone एक CA fresher को भी hire करता है. One of my student who is a non-ranker have got into Blackstone. He got a package of 24 lakh as a CA fresher. Right. Lot of people also choose a Unilever as a starting career option. यार Unilever का जो management trainee program है, that is also very really nice, which is also going to be offering you a very decent package around 34 lakh, right? And they will be giving you multiple roles around. अच्छा, now one thing you have to understand is what is management trainee. Management trainee मतलब होता है कि you will be plotted under one of the department and you will be rotated across multiple departments over 6 months or 6 months or 3 months, depending on a role and the stuff which is there. And after that is done, we'll plot you in a department which you're good at. And once this is done, you will be seen as a CFO position after 10-15 years, and that is why we are giving you so much of a rotation. So that is a whole idea behind a management trainee program. Then we have Harsh Bhai, right? He has joined a Unilever with a very decent package out. Meet has joined and worked with KNAV into audit, has joined into Bain and Company, which is there. Then moving forward for the other rankers, right? Radhika, again, she had done articleship from a mid-size firm, although she had articleship into indirect taxation. देखो हो सकता है थोड़ा बहुत information कम ज़्यादा हो, but again I've tried my best to give you the best details which is there, and again you can see it out how much marks these people have scored. Accenture also, अच्छा by the way, just wanted to tell you again, Accenture comes in the campus only. ये campus से ही hire करता है. Majorly आपको ये Bangalore campus में दिखेगा Accenture Consulting, but this is a tech consulting role which they offers, package 21 lakhs. इसमें काफी सारे non-rankers भी select होते हैं. Right, Nandini Agrawal, I think everybody knows her very well, right? She did her articleship from PwC into Start Audit, then she moved to BCG, and again after that is done, she has been a part of a GIC, which is a private equity. Again, once you move to consulting to GIC, so you can expect a very decent growth and in your salary and stuff. Now, इसी के साथ साथ one thing you can observe it out, ज़्यादातर people, those who are into ranker, all India ranker 1, right, they try to pivot their journeys either into consulting or into investment bank or into some management trainee roles. That is what you could see it out from my screen. That is number 1. Number 2 observation, which you can derive it out, if you could see out of the 14-15 rankers which you have seen it out, 1 2 right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, 9, 10, right? 10 of them out of 15 of them, 10 of them have completed the articleship from a big 4 firms, and out of which one person has industrial training. So 11 out of 15 had their articleship from a very decent firm. So one thing you have to understand is their journey played an edge in terms of a package because they had a great exposure. सिर्फ रैंक लाने से आपका पैकेज अच्छा नहीं होगा. दैट इज वन थिंग यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. नंबर 2, what this people also tried to did is they tried to build out a spike in their CV. Spike means something unexceptional in the journey. Although rank is a one spike, but if they can get a good articleship, that is also going to be giving them a good edge. Number 3 things, right? If you could see it out, articleship into some good roles or premium roles will also give you a better exit. That is what you have to also understand. Number 4 thing, right? If you do not have any of these things, right? मान लो आपका रैंक नहीं आया, आपका जर्नी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, आपका आर्टिकलशिप अच्छा नहीं है, what is something you can do is, right? One simple thing you can follow is you can invest your time till your results, right? Let's say once your exams are over, till your results are out, please ensure that you upskill yourself or ensure that your CVs are strong, right? Your resumes are strong, right? So that you can stand out in a market. आप कुछ ऐसा यूनिक कर लो जिससे आपका सीवी थोड़ा सा स्ट्रांग हो, लोगों से अलग दिखना चालू हो जाए, राइट? एंड दैट इज व्हाट वेयर वी हेल्प यू आउट इनटू मल्टीपल थिंग्स, राइट? वी हैव इंटरव्यू बैचेस रनिंग इन, वी हैव a lot of AI related courses, we have a lot of upskilling courses. To do check out websites, do check out our courses. Trust me, it is going to be helping you out. Just last and one final update for the people, those who have given their examinations now and those who have a chartered accountant, so those who have cleared their CA final examinations, what we have done is we have launched our interview ready workshop batch, which is a batch number 96, right, which is starting from 20th of May. You can also think of the same, which is there. Parallelly, what you can also do is, right, you can visit our website where we have uploaded a lot of AI related courses, and it's a free course, no need to worry as such, right? You can go to our website on upskilling section, AI for Finance. You'll be able to see out a very nice course curated which is there, and it is going to be helping you for a career trajectory. Parallelly, we have also built out an AI interview bot which can help you to practice your interviews, which is there, and you can also create your resumes using this website. The website is tools.cmonk.com. right? So that is what it is, and of course I hope this excites you about the journey of All India Ranker. The file which I've just shown you on my screen, you'll be able to get it out on my description, and I'll be also uploading one more video on how or what are the benefits of getting All India Ranker in your journey.